So for the back, I will be going homeowner style, and I will be using this, the Spectracide, for the insect killers, to take care of some of the grubs I've seen back there. They are getting into my planter beds. I noticed when I was relocating some plants, I had some grubs in there, so I know they're going to be in the grass too. So I'm gonna go with this because I've had good success with this, besides using a lot of the other commercial herbicides and stuff. So I'm gonna go with this stuff, keep it simple, keep you guys updated. I did use this before and it's been really successful, you know, just out of the blue, just had to pick up something because I didn't have anything in my stash. So I was like, you know, let me just pick something up. And you know, I used this actually last season for the front when I had grubs, and it did knock them out, and they were actually coming up to the surface, and the crows would come down and just pick them up. So I hope that didn't hurt the birds though, because they were just popping up out of the lawn like crazy. I wish I would record that. But as far as the lawn, I'm gonna use this, and I'm using the granular form. So actually, I already put this down. I've been doing this stuff for many years, and you know, I didn't think of like recording it, but I've been following a lot of you guys on the lawn, you know, lawn forum, and you know, all these lawn channels that I'm, you know, subscribed to. I was like, you know what, let me post some videos, you know, maybe someone might find it interesting. So for the back, I laid this down. I'm gonna walk around, do the spray so it can get into the soil a little bit quicker. This will be watered in, and then what I did was I'm gonna hit it with the 3204 fertilizer with 2% iron. So here it is here. So I'll be putting some fertilizer down because I haven't fed it for a very, very, very long time. So I'll be hitting that a little bit high. Throw this down, spray this on the backyard to the directions as listed, and water it in. I start addressing the, what do I have, the perennial rye and the Kentucky bluegrass issue back there, and any other weeds I have. And let's get this down, watered in, and then on to the next video, see the progress. All right, you guys? Let's get to the spray. What's the best part about a smaller yard? The length of the video is shorter. I don't know if that's a good thing though, because I like watching long videos. What about you guys, huh? I'll tell you guys one thing. That spray, ready to use spray, smells, reeks. You know that stuff's coming out of that bottle because it just, I can smell it. Maybe that mixed with the granular. Whew. But like I said, picked up all the oranges, and I didn't pick up the leaves because I wanted to get down these treatments because I'm gonna be busy the next couple of days. So I want to get, you know, the herbicide, not herbicide, I'm not doing that yet, the pesticide down, and then once the fertilizer starts kicking in and hopefully, you know, the lawn recovers from these bugs that I have, I'm actually going to get another pesticide that's going to target the Bermuda mites. This one doesn't, but it takes care of the grubs and stuff like that very well. So once I get this down, it works in, then I'll start working on all that other stuff, the herbicides and pushing the grass, and then working on the cool season, getting it eliminated. But one thing at a time. Let's get to it. Let's do a whole renovation on the front and backyard, and let's get this backyard on track for the season, summer season. Let's perk this Bermuda up. And then I want to get my hands on a reel mower. I have a manual one that I've been using once in a while, which is a Scott's 20-inch. If you've seen my video, I did the adjustment to bring it down to 1 inch because I was like, it wasn't cutting low. So I did some more research, read the directions, and then I was like looking at it, taking it apart. And there's a few other modifications I've been wanting to do to it just because I've been bored lately. I like tampering with things, but haven't got to it. Maybe I will, but I do want to get a reel mower. I just don't know Swordman or True Cut or a Toro, which are on the pricier side. But we'll see. Let's get this lawn established first before I dump some cash on a reel mower. So hope you guys like this video on the backyard. I guess you can call it renovation, but I'm not really killing anything off besides the cool season grass. All right, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for updates. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. I'll try to answer as much as possible. All right, keep mowing, growing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.